Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in today's lesson we are going to discuss how to create automation workflows for email marketing with decision trees. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and use my Drip account to create a decision tree in the workflow, and I will show you the example of the email marketing mastery course purchase workflow itself. So in the previous video, you would have seen that I created a workflow. So whenever someone bought the email marketing course, they would get tagged, and this tag would be passed by Zapier to Drip, and Drip will trigger an email. So this is the simple workflow that we built. So it basically applies a tag and sends an email and then it exits. So what we will do in this video is that we will go ahead and check some further options that we have available here. So one is the decision tree. So here you can do further email actions based on a specific decision that it can make. So what I will do is that here I will create an upsell for my Learn Blogging course. So if I see someone purchasing the email marketing mastery course, and if they have not purchased the Learn Blogging course, I can give them an offer, and that is what I am going to set up right now. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and select the tag which includes 100-day blogging course, and I will click on update decision. So here, if after purchasing the email marketing mastery course, they get tagged with this particular tag and then this mail is sent, and then we are checking whether this subscriber has already bought the 100-day blogging course or not. So if they have not bought the 100-day blogging course, what I could do is that I could give a special discount to them for the 100-day blogging course. So I will go ahead and click on action, and I would go ahead and click on send a one-off email. So here the email will be sent only to the people who have not bought the 100-day blogging course. So let me write a small email here and get back to this video. So I have completed writing this email, and what I will do is that I will make this email into a transactional email, because this particular email is behavior based and this goes out just after they have made a purchase. So here you can see that the subject line is special discount on the 100-day blogging course, and I have mentioned that thanks for investing in the email marketing mastery course. However, I noticed that you have not enrolled in this course, so I give a link to the landing page and I tell them that you can get a special discount by replying to this email. So this email I will update and I will go back to the workflow, and here you can see that this workflow gets started, and here you can send a mail only if they have not purchased the previous course. So if they have used two different email IDs to purchase, this workflow will not work properly. But however, 99% of the time people use one primary email ID and make all the purchases with that email ID. So here if they have already bought the 100-day blogging course, I can send a custom email to them. I can tell them that I noticed that you have already purchased and you are getting this as well, so congrats or something like that. But right now I will just leave it open. So here you can see that if we put it as a standard drip without a decision tree, then this email will also go to the people who have already bought the 100-day blogging course, which we don't want, because it doesn't make sense to talk about the sales of the 100-day blogging course to someone who has already enrolled in it, right? So this is how we can build a decision tree, and here you can build another decision tree if you want. So I would go ahead and click on decision tree. So what I will do is that first I will wait for a day or 2 days and see if they have purchased the course. So what I can do is that I can click on delay and I can wait for 2 days, and after I wait for 2 days I can check again whether they have bought the 100-day blogging course. So if they buy the 100-day blogging course, then they get tagged with 100 DBC, and I will check again, and if it is no, then I can send them a different mail. If it is yes, I can send them a different mail. So for now I will leave this like this. I will come and add an email later on this. So basically what I am doing is that I am persuading them to go ahead and buy the 100-day blogging course. So if these people who are in this workflow go ahead and purchase this particular course, then here if it is a no, then it will pitch again, and if it is a yes, if they have already bought it, and then it will exit the workflow. So this is how to create email decision trees in Drip, and recently a lot of such tools have come with workflow builders. So I will not go ahead and create a tutorial for each and every tool out there, because there are quite a lot of email marketing tools out there. Drip is my favorite tool, that's what I use, so that's what I am showing here on how to use. However, you can check Infusionsoft, Marketo, ConvertKit. All these email marketing tools also have such workflow builders. And many email marketing tools such as Aweber do not have workflow builders. So if you want to do some advanced email marketing automation, you will not be able to do it if your email marketing tool does not support it. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment below. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.